how to find out who has viewed your Instagram story. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So first things first, you go and open up Instagram, and then you go to your story where you have uploaded your content. And once you've done that, you can go to the activity tab that you can see on the bottom left corner here. You can either click on it or you can swipe up. It does the same thing, and you can see that my story has currently 48 views, and these are all the viewers who have interacted with my story. You can also interact with them by clicking on these three dots. You can block them, remove them, hide your story from them, and all the other things that you can do are on this tab. There are also three other options like download, share, and delete over here. And once you click on download, it directly saves the content you uploaded into your camera roll. So that's pretty intuitive. And once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy and simple. So hope you got a good understanding on how to view your story in the future. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, bye bye.